What's up, everybody? It's V-Man1313, and welcome to today's bike ride. Yeah, we are loaded down for various reasons. The setup is not perfect yet. Today's kind of like a shakedown to see what will work and what will not. We're at 146 miles on the bike today, starting with. And we're going to go out and see how many miles we can get in today. It is 8:26, so we are good to go. The bike is heavy as heck, and we are at the Big Creek Greenway down in Alpharetta, Georgia. And what we're hoping to accomplish today, I want to get in at least 30 miles. I would love to do 50 today. But some of the numbers that we're trying to see is how many miles can I go in an hour? What's my average speed? And how comfortable am I on the bike with all this stuff on it? So it is loaded down just so I can see what's going on. I have a cooler with 6 waters, because that's what I think I would need in a day, 4 to 6 waters. Actually, there's 5. There's 4 inside and 1 on the outside. I have my extra battery, which I don't need today, but I wanted some weight in there, so I've put the extra battery. I got a rain suit and my tools and some snacks. On my back, I have a very, very super light backpack, tiny backpack that I'm just wearing for having my keys and my wallet and that kind of stuff. So we're going to start 8:30. We're going to say 8:30, and we're going to see what we can do. All right, there's the little greenway. Join along. The bike started making a noise the other day. I fell for the first time trying to jump over a log, a wet log. It was rainy. Oh boy, that's gonna be pretty annoying, isn't it? We'll see. We are fully loaded. Can't hear where that's coming from though, the front or the back. Speed limit is 15 miles an hour. A little disconcerting. I hadn't had any sounds coming out of this bike before. Ah, it was something rubbing. Cool tunnel. Alright. Welcome to Alpharetta Greenway. Dark and scary. Able to move pretty good. Like I said, so my feet are touching the panniers, which is not good. If I put them all the way to my toes, like if I ride with the balls of my feet. I'm going to be pedaling today, all day. I am not going to be using the throttle unless it's to get started, to get moving. You see this flat area here, just get going. Probably could go faster, but this feels pretty comfortable, and I'm trying to do a long distance, so we'll see. These boardwalks are real nice, real pretty. Bicycle traffic this way only. Beautiful. So yeah, I give it throttle only when I'm completely stopped and it needs to get going. But then as soon as I get going, then I'm back on the pedals. We're at the 7-mile mark, which is nice. 25 minutes. We've been about, I gotta look at my watch. Watch. We started 30 minutes, so we've been 7 miles, 30 minutes. That's pretty good as far as I will be stopping. I'm not gonna be hossing it. I want a good realistic number of what it's gonna be like. So I don't want to sit there and say I can do 7 miles in 15 minutes when it took me 30. Got two sides of the road here. One over there, one over here. Chose the less traveled left side. Stick to the left. We'll come back on the right. And we'll come back over there on the right side. The end's gonna be right up here as we make a circle. And then we're gonna see what we're gonna do from here. Go to the end here. I got 7.7 miles at the end of the trails itself to the closest parking spot to the trails. But then it looked like this went pretty far. And today's all about mileage. So we're gonna see. Trying to see how far. It picked up enough. I mean, it's 8.2 now. I'll get to the end here.